All right, let's get right into it. Today, we're going under the hood of modern AI. We're going to break down the one piece of technology that's powering just about everything you see. From ChatGPT to the internal tools analyzing your company's data, it's called the Transformer Architecture. And honestly, it's the engine driving the entire world of business intelligence today.
So if you're running a business, this probably sounds all too familiar, right? How in the world do you handle a mountain of data or thousands of customer questions every single day without watching the quality just plummet or your budget explode? For a lot of companies, it feels, well, impossible.
Well, the solution that really unlocked all of modern AI is this: a surprisingly elegant two-part design. Think of it as a blueprint for how a machine can first understand something, like a question you ask it in English, and then generate a totally new output, like a perfect answer in French.
So how does that actually work? Just imagine an expert human translator. Okay, so first, the encoder part. It's like the translator listening to an entire sentence, really absorbing its meaning, the context, all the little nuances. That's step one. Then, the decoder part speaks. It starts generating the new sentence in the new language, literally one word at a time. It's a simple idea, but it's incredibly powerful. First understand, then generate. So at its core, this whole encoder-decoder model is designed for what the experts call sequence-to-sequence tasks. Now that's just a fancy way of saying it takes one sequence of information, let's say a really long, dense report, and it transforms it into another sequence, like a quick one-paragraph summary. This basic process right here is the backbone of almost all modern AI.
And this is where we see a huge, monumental leap in performance. See, the old models, things called RNNs, they work sequentially. They had to read one word, then the next word, then the next. Not only was this super slow, but they would often lose context. They'd forget the beginning of a long sentence by the time they got to the end. Transformers just changed the entire game by processing all the words at once, in parallel. The result? A massive boost in speed, scale, and most importantly, contextual understanding.
And that brings us right back to our translator analogy. The old way was like a translator who had to sit there and wait for an entire speech to be completely finished before they could even begin translating. The transformer, on the other hand, is like a genius translator who understands all the key ideas and how they connect to each other as they're happening, making the whole process feel almost instant.
Okay, but that brings up a really important question, doesn't it? If the model is looking at everything all at once, how does it know what's actually important? How does it keep from getting completely confused and spit out something that makes no sense?
And the answer is a brilliant breakthrough called the attention mechanism. You could almost call it the secret sauce. In simple terms, it's the AI's ability to, well, pay attention. It gives the model a way to weigh the importance of every single word in the input so it can dynamically focus on only the most relevant bits and pieces when it's creating its response.
This quote here really nails it. Through its training, the model literally learns which words are the most critical for any given task. So it's not just seeing all the words at once in a big jumble. It's intelligently deciding which words matter most for getting the very next word in its response exactly right.
So, when it's translating a sentence, the attention mechanism lets the model zero in on the subject or the verb or some key adjective at precisely the right moment. This is what gives modern AI that incredible, almost human-like accuracy and awareness of context. It's what makes the magic happen.
Okay, so that's the core tech. Pretty amazing, right? But let's get practical. How does all of this translate into real-world applications that can actually superpower your business?
The truth is, this architecture is absolutely everywhere. I mean, the intelligent chatbot handling your customer service tickets, the system that automatically summarizes your team's weekly reports, or those advanced speech recognition tools, yep, they are all built on this exact same transformer foundation. So the advantages for any business become crystal clear. First, it is incredibly flexible. The same basic design can translate, it can summarize, it can answer complex questions. Second, it's built to scale, so it can handle the massive data sets that modern companies deal with. And maybe most importantly, because of that amazing attention mechanism, it delivers results that are far more accurate and contextually relevant. But you know, the most important takeaway here is this. We're not talking about some experimental, futuristic technology. The transformer model is the established, industry standard, right now, today. It's the engine inside the AI tools that are already disrupting entire markets and creating massive new opportunities. Which really just brings us to the final thought. This technology is no longer a question of if, but how. It's here, it's working, and is creating value as we speak. So the only real question left is, how are you going to leverage it?